That is Don with Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE, and I'm at the Wave Express and the Horizon Transport Repair Facility Transport Flow Tech Center. This is a facility that's only for Horizon or Wave drivers to get dirt cheap repairs done on their vehicles. So let me switch the camera around. It's a nice facility here. And it's brand new. It's a renovated mechanic shop, but it's over by the Gallup truck stop, which looks like a castle. And it's where a lot of RV transporters go to get fuel, especially if you're hitting I-80. But my truck is right back there getting ready to go in the shop. And they're doing a transmission fluid change, filter change, and it's going to only cost $229 when back at my house or anywhere that I've priced, it's been a little over $450, almost $500 for the same stuff. I haven't really gotten permission to go back there and look at the shop, but I think there is people with shop access on their videos. There's a pickup yard back there. And again, they do 18-wheelers too, so the multiple load guys can come here and get general work done. This facility is pretty nice, so I'll take you on the inside. Alright, here's the hours and the phone number. And then they are a Gen Y hitch authorized dealer, airlift. But if you go inside here, got a real nice entry lobby for the drivers. You can hang out. Air conditioner works great. But there's all the Gen Y bumper pulls and kingpin type hookups you can get. There's a close-up of all the different Gen Y hitches. Receptionists, they're fast about it. I got a photo here of the general services. And then their staff work behind that wall. But they let you change the channel. They do Rotella. They got a little lounge here, complimentary coffee, complimentary waters, Gatorades. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, a little microwave if you brought something for yourself. They have a driver shuttle to take you back to your hotel while your truck is being worked on. That's pretty cool. So I just showed you the Wave and Horizon Transport mechanic or repair facility, just the lounge area and what they can offer. But they do have a big, huge shop that can handle rigs and or semi trucks, and their trailers and your trailer. If you had a personal one hooked up to your Ram or Chevy or Ford, but they also do a lot of repairs on just us running these 3500s and those type of trucks. I've had now my differential fluids changed out and filters and transmission done. They were both half price from what I had quoted in my town. So that was great. Good work. It did take them a little bit of time, longer than I expected, but they had a lot of people in line too. So plan on a couple hours easily sitting around, but they have a nice lounge as I showed you. Then I did have a quote on replacing my fan clutch, and that was a little overpriced for me. But depending on your situation, that could be a good price for you. So I'm just going to have that done back in my hometown because it actually was way cheaper back home. Other than that, customer service is outstanding. The ladies at the front are awesome. And just give them a call when you need something done. All right. This is Don with Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE out.